Greetings and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. My name is Gavin Gooden. I'm the Marketing Director here at Blast One. Today I want to talk to you about a small device called a brass inlet strainer. This device here is a simple but very important part of your blast machines. Basically, this goes into control lines. So when you're running your dead man, the valves on your blast pot are pneumatically operated. So if you're running a TeraValve, a Thompson valve, an auto air valve, a combo valve, they are pneumatically operated with air. What often happens in the field is abrasive goes back through your control lines and blocks up your valves. So by adding an inlet strainer, it strains out any media and dust that could clog up those lines. So if you're a maintenance guy or a guy on the field and you open up the top of your Thompson valve, the top of your TeraValve, the top of your auto air valve, and you find there's a media in there, what you need is another strainer. It's quite simple to use. It's got an arrow on there showing which way to install them. And you hang them upside down, and you can twist this little thing here, and moisture will come out of them. But inside, I'll just open it up. We have a little brass strainer. And what happens is the air comes in through the side and has to come up in the middle and out around through the strainer and into your control lines. So basically it guarantees that abrasive and dust and dirt is staying out of your controls. So if you typically repair your valves because they've got abrasive in them and clean them out, you need to fix the root cause issue, and that is install a strainer. They're cheap, not very much money, but solve a lot of problems. I hope this helps somebody. Someone out there's got this trouble there today. Install a brass inlet strainer on your systems. If you're a guy who's in the warehouse maintaining equipment, make sure every single blast pot that has pneumatic valves has inlet strainers. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.